If you are manufacturing duct sections, today's competitive marketplace demands quality and reliability. You need a system that's designed, engineered, and built to produce finished duct sections precisely and efficiently. A system that will cut your labor, material, and storage costs to increase profits to provide just-in-time production. Iowa Precision Industries presents the Pro Fabriduct coil line. This system takes coiled sheet metal and produces duct sections in L or wrap configurations. The system pulls material off the coil and flattens, blanks, beads, notches, forms the slip and drive cleat, produces the male Pittsburgh or snap lock seam, and breaks the blank into L sections or fully wrapped sections. And your sections are ready to be assembled and installed. An optional tie rod hole punching system is also available, and the notching system also accommodates TDC or TDF flanging. For contractors with internal duct lining needs, the Insulmatic positions duct liner with glue and fastening operations all automatically. The controls and processing features are designed, built, and serviced by Iowa Precision, providing total system support. The Iowa Precision Pro Fabriduct system consists of the following components. The decoiling and grid feed system supplies each coil station with its own hydraulic motor drive, a direct drive at every station, and feed-up path allows for one-man, hands-off coil selection and feeding by selector switch and push button. Along with the hydraulically driven coil stations, the actuated hold-down rolls ease the feed-up process and provides a more positive payoff of material. The new nylon support blocks eliminate the need for future bearing replacement, common with other brand duct lines. Soft start motors are used for long life. The coil select station is made up of a series of pinch rolls that grip the material and feed it up the ramp. This system allows hands-free feeding of the material and faster coil changes. An additional new feature is the Easy Load drum assembly, significantly reducing coil changeover times. The notching units are made up of solid die blocks, actuated by standard hydraulic cylinders. These are designed to last the life of the machine as there are no sleeve bearings to wear out, which are common in post-type die set systems. The notches are sized to provide an extremely small open area to substantially reduce the air sealing requirements. The cleat roller will roll 180-degree hems on L section or wrap duct. If slip and drive connectors are needed, the part passes through the cleat roller without being formed. The cleat roller system is hydraulically actuated to provide a smooth, positive forming action. The combination shear brake head is hydraulically actuated, and the setup program controls the internal forming brake to develop the male edge for either a Pittsburgh or snap lock seam. This system eliminates the need for a duplex type roll former to make the seam locks and therefore removes any concern for runout. This is one of the features that gives the line the smallest footprint in the industry. Following the shear brake operation, the right angle transfer table provides for proper squaring and 90-degree transfer into the single-sided seam roll forming system, or to exit the end of the conveyor in the case of blank production. The seam roll forming system includes two full set of rolls to produce both Pittsburgh and snap lock female seams. The seam roll forming system can be easily changed over from Pittsburgh to snap lock during machine setup. The operator simply selects the seam type, and hydraulic controls automatically move the roll forming rack vertically to the appropriate set of forming rolls. The optional cold sealant application system automatically applies sealant to the female side of the seam. The second transfer table, positioned after the seam roll former, transfers the part 90-degree into the TDC or TDF flange roll forming system. If the part has already been formed for slip and drive, the part simply passes through a guide system. If a connection flange is required, this duplex station forms the TDC or TDF flanges on both sides of the part simultaneously. As the part exits the TDC flange forming station, it enters into the Insulmatic and pinning system. This system extrudes uniform beads of glue into the part as it passes under the glue heads. It then continues through the Insulmatic, where squaring arms re-square the part prior to application of the insulation. The new patented swing knife can be used to cut both conformable non-fibrous foam insulation as well as standard fiberglass insulation. Continuing through the pinning system, the controls regulate the frequency and the pin placement to SMACNA standards. Either a Durodyne or a grip nail system can be provided according to your preference. The final piece of equipment in the automated line is the high-speed servo-controlled brake that will produce either L, U, or fully wrapped duct sections. The 75 foot per minute line speed, along with 125 foot per minute servo wrap brake, makes the IPI Pro Fabriduct the fastest coil line in the industry, and as a result provides the fastest cycle times. The hydraulic servo feed drive precisely directs the feeding and cutoff process to ensure accuracies of plus or minus 20 thousandths of an inch between notch locations as well as over the part length. Also available is a short part package that allows producing sections for wall stack. IPI is the only manufacturer that has this capability. The optional grease duct or welded duct package is capable of running 16 gauge 90-degree flange in place of TDC, as well as breaking 16 gauge, extending the versatility of the Pro Fabriduct line. Optional download tie into your plasma system is available. Our hard wiring, part of our value-added service, allows for only 2 electrical drops, which can increase to 9 with our competitors, an after-the-fact cost of $2,000 each. Coil and insulation data inventory software is also available as an option. Iowa Precision Machinery is built to last. Our customers have enjoyed a low maintenance track record over the years, and the Pro Fabriduct is no exception. The controls are a touchscreen, state-of-the-art system from B&R. Industrial automation allows the operator to easily enter the part processing parameters, including cut length, number of pieces, notching, shearing, and brake control. The system is capable of storing hundreds of these part recipes. It allows for worldwide remote diagnostics 24/7 using an Ethernet real-time power line network. No other manufacturer of duct lines has this service capability. Let IPI's automated duct fabricating line, the Pro Fabriduct, provide you savings in labor, storage, and material, as well as just-in-time production.